Hello guys, welcome back and get ready for the best powerful plugin, Element 3D. Let's start. There is Adobe After Effects. Create a new, solid, and right here, Element 3D. Then go to Effects. Select Video Copilot, Element 3D. And wait, the most important point in Element 3D plugin is go to Scene Setup. And wait, there is another window about Element 3D program. So, there is Model Browser. If you have Element 3D Models package, you must install, then you can find in model browser of Element 3D like Fresh Food, Jet Strike, select kind of Jet Strikes, airplane, and here you can control the part of this model like this. So when you select one of these objects, there you can control the object materials, motion, reflection, everything. Close again. And here is the metropolitan. You can add kind of buildings, kind of cities. Select. There is a building cities. Open. Street lights. You can off. Street props. Zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom. Sit here. Turn off. Street props glass night. Zoom out. Control the lighting. Control cinema lighting. Add basic lighting, natural lighting. Select the natural lighting. So if you need lighting from everywhere, just select 360. So close again. Let's go to next. Money Casino, motion design, kind of motion design like liquids. Select one of them and go to presets. In presets, you can add what? Pro shaders. Select orange soda. Double click. Here is. Close. And there is the primary models like a sphere when you want to create 3D earth glue. There is a cylinder and there is a box. You can add, create kind of box. And there is extrude. How to use extrude? Let's go. Close Element 3D and select the title. Click here and right here. What? After, turn on the caps lock. After Effects, select all, turn off the caps lock, change the size, set bold, turn off. Select Element 3D layer and go to Element 3D, go to Custom Layers, Custom Text and Masks. Select the title layer and go to Scene Setup. Then after Scene Setup, click Extrude. So if you want to select kind of presets for the 3D title, go to Presets, Bevel, Physical. There is kind of bevels. Double click, zoom in, double click. So if you need change the reflection image, go to environment, Click here, click this kind of reflection image. So if you need control material of the models, just go to material, physical, expand scene extrusion model, select this one, turn off, change to golden material, select, drop here, golden material. Then you can press OK, turn off the 2D, create the camera, OK. Here is the 3D model of the title. So if you control the size of title, just select element 3D layer, close this one, go to group 1, particle look, change the size, particle replicator. Here is kind of particle count for sprayed many models. Like what? Select the sphere, add 18, shape size, change, control your camera. Here is your camera control. Change back to point, set particle count to 1, and set the title camera from this side. Okay guys, the most important about Element 3D is render setting. Control the reflection, here control the light, control the reflection. You can turn on the shadow, turn on the ambient occlusion for creating shadow on the floor, control the reflection from the footage, from the pictures, turn on the motion blur for the animation, turn on the glow effects. This was the basic information about Element 3D. Thank you guys for watching.